What is going on, guys? Happy Wednesday. I wanted to do a video and update you on the Supra. Past couple of days have been nothing but failures. Where do I start? I did the video on replacing the rear suspension, so most of you already know that the rear brake line is still on its way. I haven't been driving the car because I'm cognitive of that issue. Yesterday I was going to take it out to a quick meet and greet for Horsepower for Hope, but that didn't happen. Started the car yesterday. There was a group of 3 like 10-year-old kids. They really wanted to see under the hood, so I popped the hood for them. I went in my garage, did my thing. They asked me a few questions. It was cool, you know, like how can you say no to that? They're getting ready to leave. I look at my car and antifreeze is just pooling under the radiator. So at first glance, I'm like, holy cow, that's a lot of antifreeze. Luckily they left. So I checked out the issue and it's my rad cap for this radiator. Funny story. I email these guys. I email them. I email this, obviously the same people, but Forged Racing. And they're like, yeah, so you have a knockoff radiator. We don't make radiators for the Mark IV Supra. So I'm a little flabbergasted because I bought this off a friend who bought it for Mark III and got a Mark IV radiator. And it's a nice unit, honestly. I thought they were real. I thought it was real. I didn't pay an arm and a leg for it, so I'm okay with that, but I need a cap. It's funny, the guy's like, yeah, we don't make Mark IV radiators, so we know of a company who you know, forged our brand, and it's called Forged, but the real company is Forge. So just beware, I guess, if you're in the market for radiator and you see a forged radiator. I can't even find them. Anyway, so that's issue 2. It was piss and coolant yesterday. I'm gonna start it up right now and just make sure that it's good. I don't know what was wrong, but I tightened it properly and I'm hoping that it seals. And then also my fuel line going to the rail right there. It goes all the way down into the fuel filter and it's dripping off there, so I tightened it. This was a couple days ago. I'm like, oh, it's not dripping anymore, but I was wrong. It was sitting on the driveway and there was a puddle of gasoline on my driveway, and I found out it's the actual line. So if you run your hand up the hose, you take your hand back, it's soaked in gasoline, so it's leaking halfway down that hose. So I am in the talks with Aaron at Drift Motion to get that replaced. Eventually, hopefully go to nylon or carbon infused Teflon lines. But there's just small issues that are so annoying. I was ready to go to this meet, have some fun with some nice cars and good people, and that happened. So, and it gets you in worry mode, right? You're worried about everything because you spent so much time and money on this thing that you want it to run. But anyway, that's the update on the Supra. Hopefully soon. Hopefully the lines get here. Hopefully the rad doesn't leak anymore. I do have a rad cap on the way. I did find one. It's a Type A, so it should just be interchangeable. So that's what I'm banking on. But funny story anyway. I bought a knockoff part without even knowing it. There's not a knockoff part on this car besides the rad, I guess, which I am totally unaware of. So anyway, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, if you like this content, give it a like, give it a subscribe. All right, peace.